When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and protected home, windows play a much bigger role than many homeowners realize. In Mandeville, where humidity, rain, and changing weather conditions are part of daily life, proper window installation is essential. Even the highest quality windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. Proper installation is what truly prevents drafts, water leaks, and long-term damage. One of the most common issues caused by poor installation is air leakage. Small gaps between the window frame and the wall can allow outside air to enter your home. In Mandeville's warm climate, this often means hot, humid air seeping indoors, making your living space feel less comfortable. Proper window installation eliminates these gaps by ensuring a tight, secure fit. Professional installers use precise measurements and high-quality insulation materials to create an airtight seal, keeping indoor temperatures stable. Drafts are more than just an inconvenience, they can significantly impact your energy efficiency. When air leaks are present, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to increased energy usage and higher utility bills. By preventing drafts through proper installation, your windows help maintain a consistent indoor climate, reducing strain on your cooling system and improving overall efficiency. Water leaks are another serious concern, especially in a region like Mandeville that experiences frequent rain. Improperly installed windows can allow water to seep into your home, leading to damage that may not be immediately visible. Over time, this can result in mold growth, wood rot, and weakened structural components. Proper installation includes the use of flashing, sealants, and drainage systems designed to direct water away from the window and your home's interior. These protective measures are essential for keeping moisture out. Sealing is a critical part of the installation process. High-quality sealants are applied around the window frame to close any potential gaps where air or water could enter. This creates a barrier that protects your home from the elements. In addition, insulation materials are used to fill spaces between the frame and the wall, further enhancing protection against drafts and leaks. Another important factor is alignment. Windows must be installed level and square within the opening to function properly. If a window is slightly misaligned, it can create uneven pressure on the seals, leading to gaps over time. Proper alignment ensures that the window closes tightly and evenly, maintaining its ability to block out air and moisture. Frame condition also plays a role in preventing leaks. Before installing new windows, professionals inspect the existing frame and surrounding structure. If there are signs of damage or wear, these issues are addressed before the new window is installed. This ensures that the new window has a solid foundation and can perform effectively without risk of future problems. In addition to preventing drafts and leaks, proper installation improves overall comfort. A well-installed window helps maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home, eliminating hot or humid spots near windows. This creates a more enjoyable living environment, especially during Mandeville's warmer months. Noise reduction is another benefit. Gaps and poor sealing can allow outside noise to enter your home. Properly installed windows create a tighter barrier, helping to block unwanted sounds and create a quieter indoor space. Durability is also enhanced with correct installation. Windows that are installed properly experience less stress over time, which helps them maintain their shape and function. This reduces the likelihood of issues such as warping, sticking, or seal failure, ensuring long-term performance. Finally, professional installation provides peace of mind. Knowing that your windows have been installed with precision and care allows you to trust that they will perform as expected. Many professional services also offer warranties, adding an extra layer of confidence in your investment. In the end, proper window installation is the key to preventing drafts and water leaks in Mandeville homes. It ensures a tight seal, effective moisture protection, and long-lasting performance. By investing in professional installation, you're not just upgrading your windows, you're protecting your home and creating a more comfortable, efficient living space for years to come.